go ahead and continue listening.
Scientists create these chimeras by mixing human cells with the cells of animal embryos. Well, as you can imagine, this causes a lot of controversy. Today, we're going to look at
Okay. What was the verbal cue we heard, Sharon?
Today we're going to look at
Very good. So, what are we going to listen for next, Megan?
the thesis.
Okay, excellent job. So go ahead and listen for the thesis.
both sides of the issue, and you can decide for yourself if you think research into chimeras is a positive thing or not.
So what is the thesis, Megan?
Both sides of the issue.
Very good. But more importantly, why is this the thesis?
It helps us explain both sides of what the passage is about.
Okay, good. So, what do you think our main ideas are going to be about, Sharon?
The two different sides.
Okay, good. And what do you think our pattern of organization is going to be?
Comparison and contrast.
And why do you say that? What keyword helped you find that?
Both sides.
Very good. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on.
Okay, let's begin by looking at what...
Okay, what was the verbal cue that we just heard, Megan?
Let's begin by looking at.
Good. So, what are we going to hear next, Megan?
The first main idea.
Excellent job. Let's go ahead and listen for the first main idea.
Why some people might support this research.
Okay. And what is the first main idea, Sharon?
Why some people might support this research.
Good. Okay. Why is this the main idea?
Because it shows one side of the issue.
Very good. So, what are our major details are going to be about, Megan?
Why they support the issue.
Okay, good. So let's listen for the first major detail.
Professor Weissman of Stanford University believes that chimeras could help find the cures for human diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's.
Sharon, what is our first major detail?
Help find the cures for human diseases.
Good. And why is this our first major detail?
Because it shows why he supports the issue.
Excellent job. Okay, let's continue listening.
In his experiments,
Okay. What was the verb cue we just heard, Megan?
In his experiment.
Good. So, what do you think that we are going to listen for next?
An example of his experiment.
Good. So let's go ahead and listen for what he did in his experiments.